Hello, today I'm in Nissan Leaf. In this video I'll show you how to plug the car to charging station. In the beginning make sure that the car is turned off and then press this button right here. Thanks to this the charging port is opened and now we can go out of the car. Let's open this plate, and as you can see right here we've got two ports, one smaller and the second is bigger. This smaller port is for the 3 kilowatt charger and the bigger port is for the 6 kilowatt charger. What you have to do is take your charger and simply plug it to the port and it's plugged. To unplug it, press this button and pull. Of course, make sure that the other part of the charger is connected with charging station. To lock it, simply pull it down and press. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.